Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset Wells Fargo savings login password easy guide step by step clearly. To reset your Wells Fargo savings login password, start by visiting the Wells Fargo website. On the home page, locate the Sign On button. Click on the Sign On button to proceed. Below the sign-in fields, find the link that says Forgot Password. Click on the Forgot Password link. You will be redirected to a new page. Here, enter the required information, such as your username or social security number. Select the account type you wish to reset the password for. After filling in the details, click the Continue button. You will receive a security code via your registered email or phone number. Check your email or text messages for the security code. Once you have the code, enter it in the designated field on the website. Proceed by clicking the Continue button again. Now, create a new password that meets the specified security requirements. Confirm your new password by entering it again in the provided field. Click the Save button to finalize your password reset. You should see a confirmation message that your password has been successfully updated. Now, you can return to the login page to sign in with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting Wells Fargo customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and correct. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.